Good morning, it's Dan. I'm here with my good buddy Cisco. We got turned down last night to visit the White House. Our security was too controversial, I guess, but we're here today before Kanye West gets here. We have a little breakfast set up, and
Kanye just wants to do all the cool things we're doing.
I'm excited about that. Later on today, I've got our weekly team meeting. I might share a glimpse of that with you guys. And then tonight I'm flying out to Austin to start the day and a half event with David Osborne, and 4 of the other members of my GoBundance tribe will be masterminding, seeing David speak at the Keller Williams regional leadership meeting. So excited about that. I'll spin around. You can get a view of the Washington Monument right there. So even though I've been in DC or this area for over 10 years, I don't do a lot of the museums and tours, and I will be this is the first time in the White House, so I'm excited about that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, click that like button, click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I want you to keep getting this great content. And if you want even more exclusive content and direct access to Carrie and myself, click here to learn about how to get a free trial period in our exclusive Inner Circle. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again.